Can Samsung really make a phone thinner and give it a better battery at the same time? That's exactly what's being hinted at with the upcoming Galaxy S26 Edge, and it might be the boldest move we've seen from Samsung in a while. When the Galaxy S25 Edge was released last year, it got attention for its super slim design, measuring just 5.8 millimeters thick. But that beauty came with a price. Its battery was only 3,900 mAh, and that left a lot of users frustrated. The phone looked premium and futuristic, but it couldn't keep up with a full day of use under heavy load. Now, according to reliable leaker Ice Universe, Samsung is planning to fix that with the Galaxy S26 Edge. The leak suggests that even though the new phone might be even slimmer than the S25 Edge, it will come with a bigger battery, possibly larger than 3,900 mAh. That sounds impossible at first. How do you shrink the body and still fit in a bigger battery? Well, it all comes down to what's inside the battery. Reports suggest Samsung could be switching to silicon carbon C battery materials, which can store more energy in less space. This type of battery technology has already been used in phones like the OnePlus 13 and One 3T, which pack 6,100 to 6,260 mAh batteries into surprisingly slim bodies. If Samsung goes this route, the S26 Edge could finally be the phone that offers both stunning design and reliable battery performance. But this new battery tech isn't perfect. Silicon carbon batteries tend to degrade faster over time, meaning their charging cycles don't last as long as traditional lithium-ion batteries. Samsung might be treating this phone as a sort of experiment to see how well users respond before rolling out the tech across their full lineup. That's probably why we're only hearing about this major battery update for the Edge model. In contrast, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to stick with its 5,000 mAh battery. Same, the S25 Ultra and the regular S26 will reportedly still have a 4,000 mAh battery, which was a bit underwhelming. In the last generation too, the Edge model might end up being the only one that breaks this trend, becoming the most advanced and future-facing of the three. Along with the battery news, we're also seeing leaks about the screen sizes for these new phones. The base Galaxy S26 might have a 6.7-inch display, the Edge version could grow to 6.66 inches, and the Ultra might stretch all the way to 6.89 inches. Interestingly, it looks like Samsung might be getting rid of the Plus model altogether. This could be a move to reduce product overlap and make each phone stand out more clearly in the lineup. So now the spotlight is on the Edge, which seems to be turning into Samsung's experimental playground. If it succeeds, it could set a new standard for smartphone design, combining sleek looks, big screens, and powerful batteries in a way we haven't seen before. And if the silicon carbon battery holds up well in real-world use, we could see this tech in more Samsung phones down the line. But there's still a lot we don't know. How much capacity will the S26 Edge battery actually offer? Will the phone still charge at decent speeds? And most importantly, will the battery life hold up after a few months of daily use? These are questions only time and hands-on testing will answer. But for now, the rumors paint a pretty exciting picture. A thinner phone with longer battery life isn't just wishful thinking anymore. If Samsung pulls this off, it could silence a lot of critics who think innovation in smartphones is slowing down. The Galaxy S26 Edge might not just be a step forward in design, it could be the future of mobile power management. If you're excited to see whether Samsung can deliver on this bold promise, hit the like button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on all things Galaxy.